What will happen when TS and AP exams are conducted? On the first day of exam, students who have their own means of transportation will come safely to the college. But coming to the people who stay far from the college locations, they will pick up an RTC bus. There are 6 lakhs plus engineering students, both AP and TS combined, who are going to write the exams. उसमें से 60% से ज़्यादा लोग RTC बस में travel करते हैं. Even if you keep rules regarding the limit of people needed to be in a single RTC bus, एग्जाम के जल्दी में सीट मिलने के लिए लोगों को धक्का मार मार के बस चढ़ जाते हैं. सपोज एक बंदा या एक बंदी को उस बस में अर्ली कोविड-19 के सिम्टम्स है. Let's name them TC19, which means transporters of COVID-19. From one TC19, it will spread to the other people surrounding them who will become a new TC19 and ये पूरा spread हो जाएगा. So by the time they get down at the bus stop, there would be many new TC19s created. ये हो गया phase 1 of new TC19. ज्यादातर क्या होता है कि बस स्टॉप से लेकर कॉलेज को जाने के लिए शेयर ऑटो पकड़ना ही है. As शेयर ऑटो ड्राइवर्स didn't have an income for the past few months due to lockdown, वो लोगों को as usual चढ़ा लेते, which totally hinders the concept of social distancing. In this process, as लोगों के बीच में गैप नहीं रहेगा, there is another situation where more new TC19s are found by the time they reach their college. ये हो गया phase 2 of new TC19s. As per the guidelines given by the government to the colleges, they will do the temperature testing of each and every person. As it is the first exam, TC19s are not going to get detected when the temperature testing is done because उतने कम टाइम में COVID-19 के कांटेक्ट में आने के बाद it is near to impossible to detect that. So they get into the college premises undetected. क्योंकि लॉकडाउन में कोई ज्यादा पढ़ता नहीं, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अटेंड हुए तो भी कुछ सुनता नहीं, सो फाइनली एग्जाम पास होना तो ग्रुप स्टडी तो बनता है. देयर इज मैक्सिमम स्कोप ऑफ ग्रुप स्टडीज हैपनिंग बिफोर द एग्जाम एंड ऑफिशियल्स कीपिंग एंड वॉच ऑन ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स इज इम्पॉसिबल. ये हो गया phase 3 of TC19s. There is one thing that you need to remember is that you may be succeeding in gaining the control over the students inside the college premises, but the government and the college officials won't have the control over the students once they are out of the college. Now here's the thing, after literally 90 days of lockdown, students will definitely want to meet and greet each other and want to go places for some time. Adding to the exam, during the phase 5 of the lockdown, restaurants, malls, theatres have been reopened. So chance और freedom मिला बोल के students will definitely take an advantage of it and will go to the restaurants and malls. So I do really accept there's a percentage of people who will follow the rules and regulations of yours and they will maintain their safety, but not all will be doing the same. So the other people who do not abide their necessary precautions, they will be the main cause of creation of more new TC19s. And let's not forget the college couples. You find a bunch of them in each college. They would definitely want to meet and greet का तो छोड़ो, उनका तो next level रहेगा, touching, hugging and वगैरह वगैरह. Yes, it's not about all couples, only a major percentage of them. Here's an explanation to this too. As this is day 1 of the exams, as TC19s go undetected, so students will have a strong assumption that they are not COVID positive. So they will as usual chill मार लेते हैं. Either be new TC19s are formed. As these are SEM exams, people who will come back from their villages after the exam ends, they end up being in their hostels. Hostels में तो no one can stop them. So it's another area where TC19s are generated. ये हो गया phase 4 of TC19s. So by the end of one SEM exam, thousands of TC19s are formed. They will get back to their homes and उनके family members को भी फैलेगा, which later converted into thousands of TC19 families. This process will increase at an immense rate to a level that by the end of 1 week of SEM exams, India will take a jump from 4th position in COVID-19 affected countries to at least 2nd position worldwide. Yes, the recovery rate is quite good in India, but still, we can't put our lives on such huge risk. We need to start focusing on solving the problems that we have right now rather than creating a new bunch of them. Here's the consequences that will happen. The TS and AP government need more PPE kits to test the students, which in turn means they need to be taken to more isolation wards. अभी केसेस बढ़ गए तो डॉक्टर्स भी ज्यादा चाहिए, राइट? The amount of medical force that we have right now will not be in a position to handle the huge tide of new COVID-19 cases that have arisen due to the semester exams. We are talking about the spinal cord of India. अगर उसके एक पार्ट को भी इफेक्ट हुआ तो पूरा सिस्टम हिल जाएगा. So here's the kind request to the government. Please promote the students. If you still say no, अगर आपने ठान लिया कि इनको प्रमोट करने का ही नहीं है, तो the only option that you have got is to postpone it. If you still ignore this message and you don't take any action, here's a message from the youth in advance. If there is at least a single student who died as they got affected by COVID-19 due to the semester exams that you have planned, well, we can definitely consider it as a crime and you would be the reason for it. Have a look from this lens. If you had a son or a daughter of our age and you are a normal middle class parent, would you send your child to write the exams in this life and death crisis situation? Give a thought about it. If you haven't taken any action about this, there would be many cases where parents need to take the death certificates of their children who died due to COVID-19 even before the exam results are out. Peace out.